Mr. President, thank you. I'm Larry Merlo with CVS Health, and it was just over a month ago that we opened up our first drive-through test site. And since that time, we have opened large-scale testing facilities across 5 states in partnership with the administration and working with the governors of Rhode Island, Massachusetts, Connecticut, Georgia, and Michigan. And these sites are enabling us to test approximately 1,000 individuals a day with real-time results. We now have a capacity to test about 35,000 individuals each week. And this afternoon, we announced plans to expand that capacity even further. Beginning in May, we will install testing capabilities in up to 1,000 CVS pharmacies. We'll be using our drive-thrus and our parking lots with swab testing. So again, you'll see that coming online in May. And we also recognize the fact that the virus is disproportionately affecting our minority communities. So we're working in partnership with organizations like the National Medical Association to bring testing and care into the traditionally underserved communities. We're also beginning to implement mobile capabilities with which to do that. And as businesses are restarting their workforce, we'll also be looking to assist them as they begin to come back to a normal operation. And finally, as my other colleagues, I just want to thank my CVS colleagues. They have done a phenomenal job in terms of helping people in many different ways all across communities in the country. And they're part of this army of healthcare professionals and front store and first-line supervisors and workers that are doing terrific things to bring our country together. And for that, we owe them a huge amount of gratitude. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. President. Appreciate the invitation to be here today. And it was just 45 days ago when we were here. I'm Richard Ashworth. I oversee Walgreens in the U.S. And I just want to start off, Larry, like you, thanking the over 200,000 Walgreens team members who are in stores every day all across America taking care of our patients and our customers, giving them essential daily needs, the prescriptions, obviously, that they need, and even COVID testing while we're here. We also announced today we'll be expanding our testing capabilities across all states, including Puerto Rico. We'll be able to triple the volume that we do now in partnership with our lab partners, and we're excited to be able to do that. We're really excited with the public-private partnership that we have here, because that's what's enabling us to do this, and we look forward to working with the additional states to get these sites up and running as fast as possible. As a pharmacist, I just want to say one quick thing. I'm really proud to be part of this profession, and not just Walgreens pharmacists and pharmacy employees, but all of them across grocery, mass, independents. You're really doing what you should be doing and what you went to school for, to help patients, counseling them on their medicines and helping them understand the problems that we're facing. Pharmacy is right here in it with everyone together in the community, and we look forward to being part of the testing like we are now, serology, whatever that might look like in the future, and eventually treatment when the vaccine does come. So thank you, Mr. President, for the opportunity.
Great job.
Thank you.
Very much.